Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Epic Games, enter code, and verify account step by step clearly. Open your web browser on your PC or phone and go to the official Epic Games website. Click Sign In and log in with your Epic Games account credentials. If you do not have an account, select Sign Up and create one by following the on-screen instructions. After logging in, move your cursor to your profile icon and open Account Settings. In the Account dashboard, find the section related to codes, redeem code, or device activation. If you are activating a device, open a new tab and go to epicgames.com/activate. On the activation page, carefully enter the code exactly as it appears, including letters and numbers. Double-check for common mistakes like confusing O with 0 or I with 1. Click Continue or Activate to submit the code. If you see an error, confirm the code has not expired and that you are using the correct Epic account. When prompted, review the account name shown on the screen to ensure it is yours. Approve the connection or activation request if a confirmation window appears. Now return to Account Settings to verify your email address if it is not verified yet. Find email address and click Verify or Send verification email. Open your email inbox and look for the message from Epic Games. If you cannot find it, check spam, junk, promotions, or other filtered folders. Open the email and click the verification link inside. Go back to the Epic Games website and refresh the page to confirm the email status shows verified. For extra security, open the Password and Security section in your account settings. Enable two-factor authentication and choose email, SMS, or an authenticator app option. Follow the on-screen steps to complete the 2FA setup and save your backup code securely. If the code was for a game or content, open the Epic Games launcher on your computer. Sign in with the same Epic account you just activated and verified. Go to Library and confirm the game or content appears and is ready to install or launch. If it does not appear, click your profile menu and select Redeem Code inside the launcher. Enter the same code again only if it was not already redeemed, then confirm the redemption. Restart the launcher if necessary and check the library one more time. If problems continue, contact Epic Games support and provide your account email and the exact error message. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.